In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn on the M4 Mac Mini. Now, of course, before you try and turn it on, to be able to use it, you have to connect a power cable. Of course, the power cable comes in the box. Connect that to a power source. And then, of course, you need a monitor. Connect it via a HDMI cable to the HDMI port at the back of the M4 Mac Mini. And so to power it on, at the bottom of the M4 Mac Mini is the power button. Okay, so this one right here. So you're gonna have to just press that button once, and if you have power, it's gonna turn on. You'll hear that sound, and then you should see this light right here on the M4 Mac Mini, and that's basically how you turn it on. So just give it time to boot up, and you should see the Mac OS on the display. And that is basically how to turn on the M4 Mac Mini. So the button is right here. So anytime it's sitting on your desk, you just have to go to the back right side and press that button underneath right there. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and possibly even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.